Jake, what are you doing? I see your head down there. And your feet. I can get your fingers. Jakey, what are you doing? Are you hiding underneath the footbed? Yeah, you think you're funny?
Even if you're not from that area.
Jake. Jake. I get your foot. Where's your feet? I get your feet. Here's your piggies. I get your piggies. Your piggies. I'm gonna get them. I'm gonna get them. I get your piggies. Are you crazy? You are so funny. It's too early in the morning to be funny. I'm gonna get your piggies. This is definitely your side of the family, babe. You piggies, you piggies. What are you laughing at? You piggies, you piggies. You are such a dork. I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna get him. Put him back up here. Where's your head? Where's your head? Jake. We could be here all day. I got him. Now what are you gonna do? Uh-oh. Well, I got him. Well, I got him. Jake, are you gonna come out from under there? Hey. Max? Oh, sorry, Max. Are we in your way? Uh-oh. You knew that was gonna happen. Oh, but we're not deterred. Oh, I see another piggy! Piggies! What are you doing? Piggies, piggies! I see you underneath there. Jake Diano, what are you doing?